India loves its cool drinks. From bustling markets to cozy homes, a refreshing beverage is always in demand. This presents a fantastic opportunity for budding entrepreneurs to dive into the world of homemade cool drinks. Imagine crafting delicious, natural beverages and building a thriving business around it. Exciting, right? Starting a homemade cool drinks factory might seem daunting, but with the right guidance and plenty of passion, it can be a rewarding journey. This essay will be your roadmap, covering everything from market research and legal requirements to production setup and future growth. We'll also sprinkle in inspiring success stories and practical tips to set you on the path to success. So, if you're ready to quench your entrepreneurial thirst and create a cool drinks empire, buckle up. This is going to be a refreshing adventure. Before you jump into production, it's crucial to understand your market. What are people craving? Are there popular local flavors or seasonal favorites? Conduct surveys, visit local markets, and talk to potential customers. Understanding your target audience is key. Are you catering to health-conscious individuals, families with children, or a younger demographic? This will influence your drink choices, branding, and pricing. Once you have a grasp of the market, create a solid business plan. Outline your production capacity, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. A well-structured plan acts as your compass, guiding you through every stage of your business. Starting any business requires legal compliance. Research the licenses and permits required for food production in your state. This may include FSSAI registration, local municipality permits, and GST registration. Choosing the right location is essential. It should be easily accessible for raw materials delivery and product distribution. Consider factors like space, rent, and proximity to your target market. Remember, a clean and hygienic environment is non-negotiable in the food industry. Ensure your chosen location meets all safety and hygiene standards. The heart of your business lies in the production unit. You'll need essential equipment like juicers, blenders, pasteurizers, and bottling machines. The scale of your operation will determine the size and capacity of your equipment. Start with a small setup and gradually expand as your business grows. You can explore renting or leasing equipment initially to manage costs. Remember to prioritize quality and efficiency when making these decisions. Staffing is another crucial aspect. You'll need skilled workers for production, quality control, packaging, and distribution. Hire individuals who are passionate about your vision and committed to maintaining high standards. Now comes the fun part, crafting your cool drink menu. Start with a few core flavors that cater to popular preferences. Experiment with unique blends, seasonal fruits, and natural ingredients to create signature drinks. Don't be afraid to innovate. Explore healthy options like low-sugar beverages, herbal infusions, or drinks with added nutritional benefits. Offering variety will attract a wider customer base. Remember, quality is paramount. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients and maintain strict hygiene standards throughout the production process. Your drinks should not only be refreshing, but also safe and delicious. Section 6. Hygiene and Safety, Top Priorities. In the food industry, hygiene and safety are non-negotiable. Implement a strict hygiene protocol throughout your production unit. This includes regular cleaning, sanitization of equipment, and personal hygiene practices for all staff. Ensure your raw materials are sourced from reliable vendors who prioritize quality and hygiene. Implement a system for checking and storing ingredients to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. Regularly test your products for quality and safety. This includes checking for bacterial contamination, pH levels, and overall drink stability. Maintaining high standards will build trust with your customers and protect your brand reputation. Section 7. Packaging and Branding. Make it pop. Your packaging is the first impression your product makes. Choose attractive, functional, and food-grade packaging materials. Consider using eco-friendly options to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Your brand name and logo should be memorable and reflect your product's essence. create a visual identity that stands out on store shelves and resonates with your target audience. Don't underestimate the power of labeling. Clearly display ingredients, nutritional information, and manufacturing details. This not only builds trust with customers, but also ensures legal compliance. Section 8. Marketing and distribution, getting your drinks out there. Once your product is ready, it's time to spread the word. Explore various marketing channels like social media, local advertising, and collaborations with retailers. Offer free samples and promotional discounts to attract initial customers. Distribution is crucial for reaching your target market. Partner with local stores, supermarkets, and restaurants to stock your products. Consider setting up an online store to expand your reach and offer direct-to-consumer sales. Building relationships with vendors and distributors is essential for long-term success. Maintain open communication, offer competitive pricing, and ensure timely delivery to foster strong partnerships. Section 9. Conclusion. Cheers to a refreshing future. Starting a homemade cool drinks factory in India is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. It requires passion, dedication, and a commitment to quality. But with the right approach, it can be a fulfilling and lucrative venture. Remember, the demand for refreshing beverages is ever present, especially in a country like India. By tapping into local flavors, prioritizing hygiene, and building a strong brand, you can carve your niche in this thriving market. So gear up, put on your entrepreneurial hat, and get ready to quench India's thirst with your unique and delicious creations. Cheers to a refreshing future filled with success and sweet rewards.